This is a quick beginner guitar warm-up you can do daily to improve your finger coordination and warm up your fingers ready for playing the guitar. Exercise 1 is the finger stretch drill. On this exercise, we're going to play our index finger, skip the next fret, then play middle, ring, pinky, and then move up a fret and repeat. This is great for stretching out our fingers. Let's give it a go together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So skipping out that fret between our index and middle fingers, moving up the frets on the low E string. Index, middle, ring, pinky. We're going to go until our pinky gets to the 12th fret. Couple more now. Okay, last one. Okay, great job. Exercise 2 is the index downs exercise. What we do here is we start on our index finger and then go between all the other fingers. So we go index middle, back to index ring, back to index pinky, then move up a fret and repeat. This is great for finger coordination. 1, 2, 3, 4. So always bouncing back to our index finger, pinky, and then up a fret. We're going to do it until we get our pinky to the 12th fret again. Up to the 3rd fret. Index, middle, index, ring, index, pinky, up. Okay, last one. Amazing work, index downs complete. Now onto our final exercise, middle downs. This is essentially the same thing, but starting with our middle finger, then going middle, ring, middle, pinky, getting rid of our index finger. This is great for ring and pinky control. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, last one now. Amazing work, that's our quick warm-up complete. Thank you for warming up with me today. Come back to this video daily to warm up and practice your guitar playing. If you like this style of practicing and warming up, check out the 21-day challenge to improve your guitar playing through progressive play-along practice routines just like this.